Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be how to get... Ooh, fireworks. Whoa, that left. Yeah. Today I'm going to be showing you how painting. The golden bread or something. Bread. That's what I think it says. So, you're going to need some TNT. So you go across the bridge and pay the guy $100 and then go get the TNT for 200 or something. And then you probably come back and it's probably already up again, so you would have to pay him $100. And then you need to go to, is this going to start? You need to go to a Wood RS. Look at that nude right there. The girl nude too. Oh snap, I still have some stuff from upcoming video. So let me drop this off. Drop. And come right here. Alright, now we should have it. Whoa, that lag. I could drop backwards. Ooh, I'm showing off. Park it steady. Alright. And you're gonna need a basic hatchet. Actually, I need two. Yes, which is only $12. 12 times 2 is 24. So we gotta get that in there. Put that right there. Chat with I forgot his name. I didn't see it. Thank you too. Whoa, that way. Gonna put it in your car, and now we're gonna go on a trip on our favorite rocket ship. Which is into the volcano, which it still hasn't spun in. The reason why it's laggy is because I'm farther away from the routers, so once I get a room closer, it's gonna be much better. I'll be back to you guys when we get to the part where I need to be. But we're not doing that. We're doing something a little bit crazier. We are going to be jumping off right here. I want you to do... Oh, wait. No, it's being so laggy. So you should be closer to the router and have better internet when you do this, but I'm just daring myself. Whoa. Ooh, I did. See? This will take you a few times, because if you just, do it, you just, and some stuff goes, because there's 2 cliffs you have to jump. Well, you don't have to, but I don't want to jump it, so I'm going to let it go all the way. Hey, friend, you want to start driving? Oh, and you should got it. Got it. If I were you, you should get a light before you go down here. Didn't make it. Well, it's gone. Now that I have to walk this all the way there. You're like, where do you blow it up at? Do you just leave it and it works? No. You see that? You see that right there? I'll push it right. The way to tell is to, yeah, see right there? It dries in. Open that. Oh, no. My leg. No, I'm gonna die. Oh, look at my health. That's why you should have good internet. I almost died and risked a 6-minute vid. Not the vid. So you're gonna have to walk back in there and go back and forth. This is why I use the big truck, but I don't want to spawn it because that would make me less than a mil, half a mil. I'm trying to get a mil, you know. Gotta get that money moolah. You just go down here, and this is what you know those like big blocks that are rare, like rare, and you're supposed to put it right there. Well, it'll still work. Okay, I'm gonna make it sexy. But something you have double of it. Yeah, if you have double it, it'll probably work. Like if you have double, it doesn't work with wood. No wood slab. You can just chop down the tree. It works. I think you can use like any type of axe. I think it only works with axes when you're trying to do it out the boxes. And I'll do one with the boxes, but I have to get my friend to give me 2, and both color number 12. Because he is right. So he is a modder and a hacker. Hacker, modder, crapper. I hope it doesn't. Alright. Let's go over here. Whoa, that lag. And let's go down here where the red stuff is. We gotta make this video under 15 minutes. Alright, this is what you're gonna do. We're gonna drop it. Drop it. You hear that? This is open. See how I can almost see that? Yes, see that? The Squidward painting is right there. You can, so it takes about $500 about $600 to get here and get all that. But you can sell this thing for like 30K. It's kind of, yeah, okay. It's ours now, and see, if you're on a lag, it's not heavy. I'm gonna drop it down. I am lost. Come on, Lex, stop. Yes, and we got it. It's ours now. Whoa. And if you want me to do or you can see my face, I don't know. I can, if this video gets, I don't know yet. No. Oh, my heart though. Alright, this video is running a little long, so I'm going to pause it right now, and I'll see you when I get to my base. Alright, here we have it. You got the Squidward painting. You can open the box, and it'd be worse. Like, it does make a good noise, like, if you get multiple of them, and yeah. You could open it and mix, like, bulb and something, but if you don't, you can sell it, right? I'm just gonna keep getting them, because I want to get 3, so I can have 1, so I can put, like, somewhere, I don't know, 2 I can sell. No, I'm gonna get 1 I can sell, and the 1 in box to keep. So, you have it, guys. And that's how you get it. So, like, subscribe, and leave a comment.